Jeff Bezos has been famously quoted saying, "Brand is what people say when you're not in the room." Starbucks, Coca-Cola, Disney, Ogilvy, Apple, Body Shop, Adidas, UNICEF, and many more are not just the brands but living and breathing entities amongst our societies. Where do you start when you want to acquire skills to build a brand? It's not just about the marketplace, but mounting a persuasive communication or changing a behavior. How do you build cutting-edge intellectual and practical knowledge in the domains of advertising and public relations? That's where the undergraduate and postgraduate degree programs in advertising and public relations at Faculty of Journalism and Creative Studies at Jagran Lakecity University, Bhopal comes into play. Mentored by award-winning faculty, Bachelor of Business Administration in Advertising and Public Relations, which is an internationally linked pathway UG degree program, and MA Advertising and Public Relations gives you that pivot and launchpad to enter the magical and logical world of advertising and PR. You work on live briefs, crack deadlines for creative campaigns, immerse in some riveting brainstorming and planning sessions, mount creative, persuasive media assets, and engage yourself into advertising and PR club activities, and listen to some of the masters of advertising and public relations as a part of your degree journeys. The partnership with University of Arts London, Birmingham City University UK, and Universidad Camilo José Cela in Spain provide the perfect exposure to your international canvas. That's the reason the best advertising and public relations recruiters value us so much more. The magic of brand is the hard-to-value element that lives in our heads, such as memories, associations, feelings, values, and personalities. You shall all deep dive into these aspects. Come and meet us at the campus and see how this magic and logic of advertising and PR degree unfolds for you.